सिक्किम विश्वविद्यालयको कानुन विभाग, सामाजिक विज्ञान स्कुल र सिक्किम राज्य मानव अधिकार आयोगको संयुक्त तत्वावधानमा हालै गान्तोकमा मानव अधिकारमाथि जागरण कार्यक्रम आयोजित गरिएको थियो। सिक्किम राज्य मानव अधिकार आयोगका अध्यक्ष श्री एनके जैनको मुख्य आतिथ्यमा सम्पन्न सो कार्यक्रममा सिक्किम उच्च न्यायालयका पूर्व न्यायाधीश श्री एपी सुब्बा, सिक्किम विश्वविद्यालयका उपकुलपति प्रोफेसर टिबी सुब्बा विशेष रूपमा उपस्थित हुनुहुन्थ्यो। यस जागरण कार्यक्रमलाई सम्बोधन गर्दै श्री एनके जैनले सिक्किमलाई शान्तिप्रिय राज्य बताउँदै यहाँका मानिसहरू पनि शान्त रहेको बताउनुभयो। तर यसले उनीहरू मानव अधिकारप्रति सचेत छन् भन्ने कुरालाई पुष्टि नगर्ने बताउनुभयो। उहाँले सामाजिक, आर्थिक र राजनैतिक अधिकार पनि मानव अधिकार नै हो भनी बताउनु हुँदै सिक्किममा पनि मानव अधिकार हनन भइरहेको जानकारी दिनुभयो। तर जागरणको अभावले गर्दा उजुरी भने दर्ता नहुने गरेको श्री जैनले बताउनुभयो।
I know that the state of Sikkim is a peaceful state. The people of Sikkim are also very peaceful. But it does not mean that they are aware about their human rights fully. Whatever natural rights are human rights, and in addition to it, the social, political, economical rights are also human rights, and there is a violation of human rights in the state of Sikkim also. But in absence of awareness, no complaint is filed before any court or before the commission. Therefore, I thought that unless we organize some awareness program in the state of Sikkim, it will be very difficult to make the public aware. Therefore, we organized first program. We started our program from district headquarters. First program was organized on 10th April at Namchi, South Sikkim. Second program in North Sikkim at Mangan on 22nd May. We went at Lachung also, and awareness program was organized there on 23rd May. I am thankful to Professor Subba who permitted the Department of Law for organizing today's program in collaboration with the Commission. Human rights are commonly understood as inalienable fundamental rights to which a person is inherently entitled simply because she or he is a human being. Human rights are rights inherent to all human beings, whatever our nationality, place, residence, sex, national or ethnic origin, color, religion, language or any other status. We are equally entitled to our human rights without discrimination. All these rights are interrelated, interdependent and indivisible. A very comprehensive definition of human rights is given in the Protection of Human Rights Act 1993, protected by our Parliament. Under Section 21D, rights means rights relating to life, liberty, equality and dignity of the individual guaranteed by the Constitution or embodied in the international covenants and enforceable by courts in India. Human rights as such are those rights which an individual, being an individual, is entitled to and which in a civilized society are recognized and enforced. The core element of such rights is universal and consists of freedom, equality and liberty. What is the origin? The concept of human right is as old as ancient concept of natural rights, based on natural law. Various theories have been advanced by jurists with regard to origin and nature of human rights and fundamental freedoms. The earliest of these can be regarded as the Roman doctrine of jus naturale. Jus naturale has been defined as the law imposed on mankind by common human nature, that is by reason in response to human need and instinct. It is also said to be the law which nature herself established. God is the source of this law. The doctrine implies that every human right is inherent in the man. In fact, it existed even prior to the existence of the state, and the state is not competent to violate it. Rather, the state should recognize and protect it.
यस कार्यक्रमलाई सिक्किम उच्च न्यायालयका पूर्व न्यायाधीश श्री एपी सुब्बा, सिक्किम विश्वविद्यालयका उपकुलपति डाक्टर टीबी सुब्बा, बार एसोसिएसन अफ सिक्किमका अध्यक्ष तथा वरिष्ठ अधिवक्ता श्री भास्कर राज प्रधान र सिक्किम विश्वविद्यालयका डाक्टर निधि सक्सेना आदिले पनि सम्बोधन गरेका थिए। यस जागरण कार्यक्रममा सिक्किम विश्वविद्यालयका विद्यार्थीवर्ग, सिक्किम उच्च न्यायालयका अधिकारीवर्ग र कर्मचारीहरूको सहभागिता रहेको थियो।